Milwaukee has a long history in manufacturing. It creates some of the world's most iconic products. And building a successful future must include meeting the growing demands for educated talent.
Here at the CSI, we're working to make manufacturing cool again. You see these robots and you see technology that you don't normally see on a college campus. This is a cool tech-enabled job.
Through a collaborative effort with Rockwell Automation, Cisco, and others, the University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee is helping equip students for high-tech careers in industry.
We have a small factory here on campus, and it's one of the most advanced factories in the world. Where else can they get a hands-on experience playing with ideas and learning things?
We have a situation where there's all these technologies that industry is dying to apply. The problem is there's a big lack of talent. We want it to be exciting, right? We want to attract them. And we want them to come in and say, hey, what is this thing? What can I learn on it?
This one is so fluid, you can tell. It's really interesting.
With automation control tools by Rockwell and industrial networking, security, and sensor technology by Cisco, the Connected Systems Institute offers a hands-on learning experience with cutting-edge manufacturing technology.
The Rockwell-Cisco Alliance has been in place for many years. The network in this facility is set up exactly like you would expect a proper industrial network to be, with a range of advanced technologies around it, such as augmented reality, enhanced reality, digital twinning, high-order physics-based models. All of that capability is here.
I don't know what the future holds, but we are trying to do everything we can to have people ready for it.
Academia, industry, and community all working together to give this generation of students a future in modern manufacturing. Between education and industry, there's a bridge.